I have an Adobe Illustrator tutorial for you today that involves creating a pattern, a swatch pattern. So I started to place some of these elements, icons, on a 5x5 inch background. And I started to kind of rotate, kind of fit them in like a jigsaw puzzle. But I'm thinking I might want to increase the size of some of these as well, just to add interest and fill in the space a little bit better. So in starting to overlay some of these elements, I have to keep in mind that when I step them over to the other side of the pattern edge, that it will overlap properly and nest properly with the rest of the pattern. So I set my cursor value to 5 inches and step this over. And then I need to either adjust these elements or adjust the element on the edge element. So I think I'm going to do that. Maybe rotate it. And then these top elements, anything overlapping this top edge needs to also fall onto the bottom edge. I'm going to reduce the size of this. Kind of see where things are falling and make adjustments. And once you are happy with where everything is at. By the way, I usually layer these elements background so I can lock it so it doesn't move with everything else. And then I make an outline layer for the top. Copy this 5x5 inch background area and paste it on the top. And that will be the mask for my pattern to mask this. So I'll group the icons, and then they should be over here on this layer. And then I place my outline box, no fill, on top of it, on top of the grouped icons for the pattern. So then I'll make a mask object. Actually, clipping mask, make, Command 7. And then object, then when you're happy with it, unlock this. Make sure all elements are unlocked. Select, edit, object, pattern, make, and say OK. It'll be added to the swatches panel. Qualification and size tile. Oh, I already did it. I already did a vacation pattern. I did a previous version. Size tile to art, so you can see the preview. I probably could make a few more little adjustments, but say OK for now. Done. And of course, it appears here, vacation 1. So then when I go to create my art, all I have to do is fill it, and it's good. You're good. You're good to go for print or whatever application, screen or print application you need. And that's it. Please like if you learned something. Please subscribe, comment. I'd love to hear from you.